me Big Papa, give me Alexi. Fellas, in this round, the points are triple. We surveyed 100 people, top 5 answers on the board. Name something that has a power button.
Phone, mobile phone.
Phone. Pass or play?
Play? Play.
Play. Kobe, name something that has a power button.
Steve, I'm gonna go for radio.
Radio.
Woo! That's a good one.
Michaela, name something that has a power button.
Steve, I'll go for TV.
The TV.
That's a good one.
Ruthie, only one strike. Tell me something that has a power button.
I think I'm gonna go for a light switch.
The light switch with the button on it. Flick, ding. Where's the button? All right, just having fun. We have 2 strikes. If it's there, you are still alive. But Papa, because of the 2 strikes, if it's not there, the Vibers with Martin, the pressure eater, will have a chance to steal. That boy over there is not who you want to have under pressure. Name something that has a power button.
Oh, Steve, I'll go with the washing machine.
Good answer.
This is the washing machine. Well, team, I'm gonna say this. There's 3 answers up there. If you give me one of those answers, your family steals, your family wins the game. But if it's not up there, the points go to the hot shots and they win the game. Name something that has a power button.
Steve, I'm going to go for laptop.
This is for the win. Laptop. Number 5. 3. Man, y'all a good family, man. Beautiful wife, man. Very good. Beautiful wife, man. Thank y'all. Well, I need 2 of you. I need 2 of you. I've got Lexus. We're gonna be right back. Fast money. $5,000.